Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to enable dark mode in Notepad on your Windows 11 computer. And without further ado, let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then dito ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung Notepad, and then click mo lang dito yung open. So once na-open mo na yung Notepad, and then next step dito na sa right side, makikita mo dito yung icon settings, and then kailangan mo lang i-click yan. And then next step ay nandito kaagad yung kanyang settings, and then next step, makikita mo kaagad dito yung app theme. So select which app theme to display, and then dito lang sa right side, makikita mo dito yung kanyang arrow, and then click mo lang yan. And then dito na siya kung paano tayo mag dark mode dito sa Notepad. And then pwede mo na itong i-select, okay? So una, ito yung light, and then pangalawa, ito yung dark mode. And then makikita mo dito nag-totally dark mode na siya. And then pwede mo namang gamitin yung kanyang use system settings. So click mo lang yan. Right? So select mo lang tong dark mode. Okay, so ganun lang po ka-simple on how to enable dark mode in Notepad in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.